What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to earn your first dollar online, and this isn't actually an easy method. It's very simple. You click a few buttons, maybe hit in a few keystrokes, and you're good to go. You'll start making some money. Before I show you that, okay, and the reason why I've been showing you different types of online businesses, whether it's reselling or affiliate marketing or CPA marketing or providing some type of service, I'm showing you guys different businesses simply because not every business is going to be right for everybody. So you have to find what works best for you. On top of that, the reason why I've been showing you additional business opportunities is because some people do not want to get into reselling. And so they want to make their first dollar online. How do they do it? Or they don't want to get into affiliate marketing. That's fine, but how do you make your first dollar? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So before I jump into the video, I first just want to show you three things. Three past videos that I have done. Okay, I'm going to link to every single one down in the description box below. But I want you to understand exactly what I'm going to show you inside those videos. This first video, the best online businesses or the easiest online business to start for beginners, this is one I did just the other day. Now this one, I'm just showing you something called CPA marketing. The next one, make money on Friday, the fastest way to make easy money on Fridays. That one, I'm showing you how to get any kind of money through reselling. You buy a product for a low amount and you sell it for more. You make up the difference. That's reselling. And the third one I'm going to link to, it's earn $100 daily for free on Instagram. What I show you there is how to take any Instagram account, doesn't matter how many followers you have, but I show you how you can monetize that by selling merchandise, selling t-shirt designs that you create yourself. Now, if one of those three things doesn't interest you, don't worry. Today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make your first dollar online. So let's get going. All right, so what I want to show you today is something called picoworkers.com. Now, I've been asked about this probably for a few months now. Is it worth it? Can you make money from it? Well, I actually brought it up to one of my friends, okay, and he's been trying it. He's been doing it for about a month now, and about 3 weeks, 4 weeks, something like that, and he's been making a decent amount of money. I think right now he's right about $90 that he's made in less than a month, okay? So here's what Pico Workers is. Now, what you do, all you gotta do is go to picoworkers.com, okay? Click new user, sign up. That's all you gotta do. Now, they will pay out through PayPal. So if you don't accept, if your country does not allow PayPal, then Pico Workers is not going to work for you, okay? Just want to be honest there. Now, here's what you do. People come on here, such as, let's say myself. Let's say I want to get a bunch of new subscribers or new followers on Instagram. I come over here and I pay Pico Workers to come and follow my Instagram account, okay? So here's kind of how it looks on the back end. So when you sign in, this is what you're going to see, okay? Now, look at this. Visit a website, plus you got to click one time, you make 2 cents. Simple. Instagram follow, 2 cents. Post a YouTube comment, 6 cents. Facebook visit plus a click, 5 cents. A YouTube search plus a watch plus a like plus a comment is 10 cents. Okay? Spotify follow, 5 cents. Look over here. You can sign up for different jobs, different things, okay? Like inbox dollar, sign up, you get 38 cents. Get 2 years of Netflix for free, sign up, 24 cents. Click cents, sign up, plus bonus tax, 10 cents. McDonald's gift card, 24 cents. A dating sign up, 24 cents. You gotta sign up for like 4 or 5 things and you already made your first dollar. It's that simple. But on the back end, there's so much more stuff that you can do. Offer a gift card, sign up, 24 cents. Inbox dollar, sign up, 38 cents. YouTube watch plus rate plus comment, 7 cents. I'm not saying that this is gonna make you a millionaire by any means. It's not. This probably won't even be a full-time income by the end of the month. But what you need to understand is I'm just showing you how to make your very first dollar. Okay, go to picoworkers.com. It's very simple. All you have to do, click some buttons and then show them what you're doing. Now, here's something that a lot of people have questions on. So how do they know you posted a comment on YouTube? It's actually pretty simple. On your keyboard, you usually have a button that says print screen. On mine, okay? So on my keyboard right here, I hit Control, hit print screen, and it does a screenshot of my entire screen right here on the computer. All you do, so if I go and click on this, all right, so once I actually go and click on that button, what it does is it takes me to this page. So you can see right here, they want 170 comments, okay? And 140 have already been accomplished. It doesn't matter where you're from in the world, you can actually do this. But here's what you gotta do. Once you actually come here, or once you actually submit the comment, and so you come all the way down here and required proof, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do a screenshot. They just wanna see a screenshot. And so all I do is I accept this job, okay? And then I go make a comment and I take a screenshot, okay? Like I said, on my keyboard, hit Control, hit print screen, and it will actually copy the entire screen so I can actually post it. I could go to like Paint on most Windows. You can do that. Just go to Paint and paste it there and then submit that. That's all you have to do. So they do want a little bit of proof, but in the end, the little bit of proof is not that much. You take a screenshot, it takes me less than a second to push the buttons, and I take a little screenshot. It's that simple. Then you just go and submit your proof. That's all you have to do to make money with Pico Workers. So that's really it, guys. It's very simple. If you want to make your first dollar, okay, 4 quarters, 10 dimes, 20 nickels, okay, whatever you want to make, you can do that with Pico Workers. Now, I'm not saying this is the best way to make money online, because honestly it isn't. Okay, I put very little effort myself into this business because, okay, I've made probably less than $2-3 on this site. And I'm telling you that, okay, I want to be 100% transparent. I'm not over here doing this hours a day. Okay, I've probably done this for maybe 5 minutes, made $2 or $3. And the reason why I'm telling you that is because this is just one simple business, one simple way you can make money. And it's very easy, anybody can do it. But if you want to make life-changing income, you want to make money that you can call a full-time income, okay, sustainable income, you're not going to do it here at Pico Workers. It's just not going to happen. But the other 3 videos that I showed you, the 3 down in the description box below, go check them out because I guarantee you one of those ways can make you a full-time income. Actually, all 3 can, but pick one. Pick one way to make money, start there, and just start earning an income, because I guarantee you the more time, the more effort you put into these businesses, the more money you will be able to make. It just takes time. So if you guys have any questions on how to make money online, why I recommend Pico Workers, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.